Okay, I thought I'd do another video because someone in my comment section said, "Oh, did you notice the flip-flops in the gun in behind the van?" So let's have a look. I've just freeze framed the video, and yeah, as you can see on the bottom there is flip-flops, and that could be a gun on the top of the rock there. So let's have a look at the video. We'll get the video up and we'll have a quick look and see what you think. Here we go. Let's run the video back and forth a little bit. So it's coming through. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I can zoom in on this. I might be able to. Let's see if we can zoom in on this a bit more. Doesn't look like it's going to allow me to zoom in on that frame, which is a pity, because that would have... Oh, hang on a minute. Might be able to. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's move this around. Let's see how much we can zoom this. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's go back and forth a little bit. It could very well be a gun on that rock there on the left-hand side of the van. So what do you guys think? I thought I'd do this short video because that was very interesting. I didn't notice the flip-flops, and then the guy pointed out the gun, and that could be a gun because it doesn't really match the colours of the rocks around, does it? It's sort of, you know, you start seeing things, don't you? You start seeing things that might not be there. But yeah, definitely flip-flops. Definitely flip-flops there. But not convinced on the gun. Not convinced on the gun, but yeah, have a look at the... I'll leave a link to the video from Red, White and Bethune and see what you think. And, you know, drill, like, subscribe, share, and if anything else comes up, I'll do another video. Okay, cheers.